video, the Bontals are on the road once again. Woohoo! Hi. 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 Yes, and Daddy Bontal. Alright, so the last time we went out on a road trip, dito rami kutob sa Catmon. But today, we are going to drive further. We will update you guys later. And we will also be sharing with you our observations. Also addressing the toilet break concern. And of course, show you once again the northern part of Cebu, how it is now. So if you guys are interested, stick around because I am here to pass it on.
So border sa Liloan, Compostela. Danao Border, Compostela, Danao Border.
Checkpoint.
Tara, checkpoint. Wala yung checkpoint.
Nasa mani.
Wala na, Carmen na eh.
Come to Catmon. We're already here in Catmon and kato siyang beach resort. We really noticed na daghan gid kay itong tao dito. It's probably because it's a Sunday, weekend, family day, and we just hope that those people there are really doing social distancing, they are observing or doing anti-COVID measures. Kana siya, reminder lang to everybody, travel responsibly. When you go out, be responsible.
Unang entrance Sogod nga checkpoint. Kato Carmen entrance to nga checkpoint.
So, mao na ni siya guys. Kaihion ako. So, we are going to show you the solution to our challenge. Here we go. So we are now stopping by somewhere here in Tabogon and Bogo. Tabogon and Bogo. Because it is already 12 noon and we have to eat our lunch. So, ni-park kami by the road. I'm gonna show you guys later. And we're gonna have our lunch again. Nagbound kami sa amuang lunch.
Chip,
Sir,
good afternoon. Liloan?
Liloan?
Oo.
Asa ni paingon?
Ba, tuyok kami diha. Actually, nagpahangin rami, sir.
Ay, di mo takakuan ko diya, sir. Pwede diha naman baking, sir.
Oh, bakira diha, bakira ko diha. Salamat.
Sir, salamat kayo, sir.
Sige.
We just found out that when you are traveling at the northern part of Cebu, you can't get inside Bogo. So, hunungon na ka sa checkpoint in Bogo. That's a travel update for you guys. So, somewhere in Damolog, niliko me, and we found this place. Nice, yeah, guys. Siya tambayan. So we thought may tagdiri na lang mi nag-lunch. But yeah, next time. So we're passing this on to you if you guys, want to go on a road trip and you're looking for a spot to have your lunch or just, get some fresh air. It's really nice here. Please take note that we are traveling along areas with MGCQ status, where travel and tourism is already allowed. We did not pass by any GCQ or ECQ areas. So we just got home. We need to disinfect everything. So I hope this video helps. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye! Say bye-bye. Renee.
Papa.
Bye-bye. Remember, disinfect to protect. God bless.
Bye.